Hi everyone. So we are again back with something. I don't know whether I should shoot this. I should not shoot this because of course it was not a success. Why my camera is this blurry and it's not fixed? Okay, let it be. Who cares? My voice is audible, and that just matters. Because if you would have heard me 2 days back, you would have been like, "Bhai, इस बंदी को हो क्या गया? Why is her voice?" My voice was dead. Okay, so let's start from basic. Although I have to shoot two more stuffs that I had to. The first, after the trek video I posted, right? उसके बाद I did 5 kilometers का. I should not say the word marathon here. It's just a small run. But for a person like me who had never ran in her life, who used to walk a lot but never ran, then built the stamina for fucking 5K and then achieving that target and all of that. So the first thing I did was 5K का run. It was with Western Naval Command and Indian Oil का corporation था, collaboration था, तो उसमें I ran. भाई गर्मी मुझको इसलिए लग रही है क्या? Okay. उसके बाद then the second thing I did was 25 kilometers cycling from the South Bombay area from Kolaba to Mahalakshmi near Isha Ambani's house and then back. That was the route of ours. Worli Sea Link वहाँ से then we came back. तो ये दो मेरे को और शूट करने हैं, उसमें तो मैंने बहुत मज़े किए. तो those two also have to shoot for my personal consumption of course. This video is I'm shooting. Why this is a priority is because I do not want to forget the memories I have created and I do not want to forget the lessons I have learned. So I'm very much passionate about Indian Armed Forces. My father is still a serving sailor in Indian Navy. We are staying in Kolaba. Of course, that does signify that people cannot afford living in Kolaba. Like me? Oh, fuck no. It's like 3 BHK in Kolaba. I'll send my kidneys and I'll be able to afford only 1 month ka kiraya. So, my father is a serving man, and all the defense aspirants out there, all the defense brats out there, I think, the people who belong from this community, who were raised by these people, they will understand how much we are eager to join armed forces by looking at our dads, by looking at all the officers and all of that. We crave for that uniform, we demand, we deserve, and I don't know what word to use, but we want that uniform on our body. And hence I'm also very passionate. Although I'm doing MBA right now, it's like kya kar rahi hai life ke sath? Why are you not clear with the same? But I'm doing MBA as my plan B, and my plan A has always been defense since the day, I don't know, I think since 5th, it was asked in my interview also, why do you want to join defense forces? So I gave him the reason because I think when you are raised by these people, you are born by these people, bought by these people, there is some sense of security when it comes to Indian Armed Forces. No matter how much you earn in corporate, you don't get that respect. Even if you are basic Jawan, sailor, airman, you get immense respect from your neighbors that this person is serving the nation. This person will give his life when it comes to that for the nation. And the respect, I have always craved the respect that Indian Armed Forces brings with it to your name. Hence I wanted to join Indian Armed Forces. And so I have been giving AFCAT majorly. I'm not eligible for Indian Navy. Because they need only engineers, or they need MBA finance, or MBA hotel management, or MBA in supply chain management. And वो नहीं करना मुझे, मेरे को marketing करना है, please मेरे को वही करने दो. So इसलिए आई एम नॉट एलिजिबल फॉर इंडियन नेवी. इंडियन एयरफोर्स के लिए आपको एक AFCAT एग्जाम देना पड़ता है, SSB देनी पड़ती है. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू बी अ मैन लाइक लक्ष्य कि छोटा सा इंटरव्यू होता है, छोटे से 5 दिन का इंटरव्यू होता है, सबका हो जाता है. नहीं होता है. 3.9% से भी कम सक्सेस रेशियो है. इट्स वेरी हार्ड टू गेट इन टू द अकेडमी एंड टू सर्व योर नेशन एज एन ऑफिसर. Even as Jawans also, it's very hard, but as an officer, it's also like they want physical standard, but they want mental capacity to lead men out there as well. So it's a huge process, okay? First, you have to clear the exam, okay? If you clear, great. If you don't, then again the cycle. Then you get into SSB. For SSB, either you get screened in, perfect, or you get screened out, again cycle starts. Then you get conference. Either you get conference out or you get recommended. Conference out, again the cycle starts. If you got recommended, you have to go for medicals after 2 months or just after that. Medical in, perfect. Nahi medical, then it's either your complete dream crusher that you got a permanent rejection for in armed forces, the end of your defense career, defense life that you have thought of. And if you got everything was fine, then you have to wait for the merit list. And if you're a lady, please, I shouldn't even start crying about it. Then you have to wait for the merit list. You have fucking 17 seats in the academy, and 200 ladies get recommended minimum. Then you have to fight for merit, and then you get into academy. If you get into academy, then you have to also make sure that you're not get injured badly. Then you have to track back. It's a huge cycle, you know, that huge cycle. And I want to be in that cycle, you know. I deliberately want to be in that cycle in my life. So I cleared my AFCAT thrice. 2 times I was not able to clear it, but I cleared my AFCAT thrice. The first one was in Gandhinagar. I went for AFSB Gandhinagar. I got screened out, ladies and gentlemen. I was terrible, you know. I'm very sure why they didn't took me. I was like, भाई है ही नहीं, तुमको बोलना नहीं आ रहा है, तुमको बेसिक स्टोरी बनानी नहीं आ रही है, तुमसे नहीं हो रहा है, तो ओके, इट्स ओके. Okay, I understood. I was crying, I was sobbing, but I knew where I was lacking. Okay, so I was like, okay, हो गया, फौजी है, दिल से फौजी है, हो गया. Now what next? When it comes to what next, then I started preparing again. I cleared it, and I went to Varanasi this time. Why I chose Varanasi? Because कोई बात नहीं खुशी, स्क्रीन आउट होगा तो घूमने जाएंगे, और कॉन्फ्रेंस आउट होगा तो भी घूमने जाएंगे, रेकमेंड होगा तो फिर चांदी चांदी है ना. और वहाँ का रिकमेंडेशन रेशियो इस साल बहुत अच्छा रहा है. ओके, टचवुड, इंशाल्लाह किसी दिन हमारा भी होगा. बट बहुत अच्छा था. मेरे को लगा यार जाना तो देखो बनता है. तो फिर वाराणसी गए. आई गॉट कॉन्फ्रेंस आउट एंड आई हैड अ लिस्ट ऑफ मिस्टेक्स आई मेड. आई लेजिट हैव द लिस्ट ऑफ, आई वाज थिंकिंग अबाउट इट. आई वुड हैव शोन यू द एंटायर लिस्ट दैट आई हैड. कहाँ गया इसका, वेयर इज द बटन? हाँ, आई हैड द एंटायर लिस्ट टू शो यू. बट नहीं, इतना डिटेल में नहीं जाएंगे, इतना एम्बैरस खुद को करेंगे नहीं हम. सो वो हुआ, एंड आई वाज लाइक, आई इवन बिफोर द रिजल्ट केम आई वाज वेरी श्योर कि यार इस बार तो नहीं होगा. वी मेड अ लॉट ऑफ फक अप्स एंड वी डोंट डिजर्व टू बी इन आर्म्ड फोर्सेस, क्योंकि दे आर द बेस्ट, दे आर द क्रीम्स. एंड आपको पता होता है वेर यू आर लैकिंग. ओके, सो आई न्यू कि फिजिकल स्टैमिना शिट है. वहाँ पे बहुत हग के आए हो, कई कई जगहों पे हग के आए हो, तो तुम नहीं समझ सकते. यू नो, यू हैव मेस्ड शिट अप टू अ ग्रेट एक्सटेंट, एंड इट्स ओके इफ यू डोंट गेट इट. सो आई वाज ओके विद दैट रिजल्ट ऑल्सो. देन started the cycle again, prepared for the exam, cleared it. You know, this time I scored 190 plus, and I was like, इस बार हो गया ना खुशी, तो वी विल बी गोइंग टू अकेडमी. मेडिकल्स होते रहेंगे हमारे लिए, तो भाई C-130 आएगा, ट्रांसपोर्ट आएगा, उठा के ले जाएगा. खुशी को तो उठा के ले जाएगा, खुशी रहेगी डायरेक्ट दिलाऊंगे ना इंडियन एयरफोर्स दिंदीगल अपनी अकेडमी. ओके, सो then I gave the exam again, cleared the exam, chose Dehradun as my board, because of course देहरादून में भी बहुत तगड़े recommendations होते हैं, बहुत तगड़े. आपको नंबर नहीं देंगे, वो bare minimum नंबर देंगे to recommend you, but they will recommend you. Okay, that should count to some extent. तो I chose देहरादून, और भाई कड़ाके की ठंड. मतलब imagine a woman who has stayed in south almost her entire life. That woman chose Dehradun because she knew she'll get recommended this time. I worked my ass off. I am not kidding. I lost 16 kgs in 9 months. I made sure I participated in a lot of extracurricular activities. I managed my current affairs. My life was revolving around defense in a way. Like, my college friends will know this, how much desperate I was to get into armed forces and how much I have worked my ass off. Okay, I have not, ऐसा नहीं कि मांगा और मिल गया, नहीं, बहुत मेहनत किया. ओके, मैं जिस लेवल पे अभी हूँ, द लेवल ऑफ मेच्योरिटी आई हैव, द लेवल ऑफ understanding depth I have, is something I have accumulated over the years, and I have legit worked my ass off for that. So गए देहरादून, एकदम चिल्ड, कड़ाके की ठंड. रात को ही पहुँचे हम 9 बजे. आई वेंट फ्रॉम मुंबई टू दिल्ली तेजस में, अपना एक्सप्रेस, what we call that, Rajdhani. Okay, I went in Rajdhani, second AC, father booked it, of course, privileges, half ticket का price pay करना है. तो we went in Rajdhani. Then I met a friend of mine, Surendra. We had lot of fun. मतलब screening का पता ही नहीं, कोई tension ही नहीं, मजे करो. We went to India Gate. We went where also? We went to our favorite South Extension पे coffee shop पे, the best दिल्ली की South Extension पे coffee shop, that's कोल्ड कॉफ़ी. सोचो दिल्ली की ठंड, कोल्ड कॉफ़ी दिसंबर में, तो गले की तो बैंड बजना वाज ऑब्वियस. एंड वी रोम अराउंड इन इंटायर, मतलब मेरी लाइफ, मैं हॉस्टल में थी, आई वाज इन हॉस्टल फॉर 1 year. एवरी टाइम आई वाज अपसेट आई यूज्ड टू रन टू दिस इंडिया गेट. इंडिया गेट चलते हैं, इट वॉज जस्ट 10 minutes away. आई यूज्ड टू स्टे एट चाणक्यपुरी, इन चाणक्यपुरी. And I was like, कभी भी मूड खराब हो, pack your shit, go to India Gate. That was my life. So then we roam around in India Gate. We got ice cream, ठंडी ice cream, cold coffee. दिमाग बेच खाया बिल्कुल. And then we came back to New Delhi railway station. Then we took a train from there to Dehradun, and it was like 5-6 hours का journey. And there I met a Jawan. He was in army. He was medical corps में. तो we talked like crazy. मतलब पहले तो I didn't talk to him. He was sleeping. He was exhausted. Then I slept. अपना चेयर पे, सिटिंग चेयर पे आगे वो जो हेड सेट होता है उस पर I slept. Then he woke up and he was talking to someone call पे and all of that. And I opened my biscuit का packet. And when someone is sitting beside you, I know parents say कि किसी अनजान का नहीं लेना चाहिए, but I was being genuine. Okay, I ate my cookie by myself also. तो अगर उसमें कुछ होता तो मैं नहीं खाती खुद. So I offered it to him. You want something? And then he thought, okay, it's okay to talk. I think it's okay to approach her. And then, oh my God, fucking didn't even stop for 3-4 hours. We were talking about geopolitics. He was also, आप आर्मी में जाने के बाद भी as a जवान, you can apply for SSBs. You can become an officer if you clear the exam. So then we started talking about geopolitics. He told me about his experience. Then he said, what are your learnings, where you should work on. Then he told me his workings. And we were talking about all the random things. लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल पुरी की एक स्टेटमेंट आई थी उस टाइम पे, वी टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट. एंड एकदम अनबायस्ड, अनफिल्टर्ड, मतलब इतना ऑनेस्ट थे हम. जो भी हमें लग रहा था एकदम ब्लंट कि दिस इज माई व्यू पॉइंट ओवर दिस, दिस इज माई व्यू पॉइंट ओवर दैट. And he has a daughter at 6 months old, and he's like, I don't want her to enjoy, I'll not force her, do whatever she wants, I'll always save her, and I'll save a lot of money for her, so that whatever she wants to do, I'll be okay with sending her there and all of that. We had an incredible conversation. I touch wood, I had the best conversation with that man. Very open, very clear, and no filters attached. जो उनको सही लगा, even ground reality पे, he was very honest about that. And he gave me suggestions also. Okay, he's like, Khushi, I'll suggest you do this and that and all of that. And I was like, yeah, I understand and all that. तो अच्छे से हमारी conversation हुई. उसके बाद then I came home. I was, I think 9:30 I reached, and then I booked a cab. फिर वो कैब वाले भैया आए, फिर कैब वाले भैया से पूछी पूरी, वो मेरे को बता रहे हैं देहरादून में जो इंसिडेंट हुआ था ना, द 6 kids जो जिनमें ब्लड में ड्रंक थे, उन्होंने कोलाइड कर दिया एक ट्रक में, एंड दे ऑल डाइड. इट वाज हॉरिबल. आई वॉच्ड द वीडियोज ऑफ द सेम, एंड इट वाज traumatizing. I can close my eyes and I can visualize what happened, the pictures and all of that. And he started telling me about that. Madam, ऐसा हुआ था madam, and he was also very unfiltered. कि मैडम इनके वजह से ना देहरादून वरना पूरी रात चलता था, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दीज पीपल हमारे क्लब्स, बार्स एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट सब बंद हो गए हैं, ये वो. फिर देन ही मेड श्योर कि वो मेरे को मेरे डेस्टिनेशन में पहुँचाए. इट वॉज अ होम स्टे वेयर पीपल, द ओनर ऑफ द हाउस वॉज स्टेइंग बिलो, एंड all the 3 apartments were for SSB students only, the people who come for selection boards. तो उन्हीं के लिए था, बिकॉज हम रात को रहते हैं, हम ज़्यादा ख़राब नहीं करते हैं और उनको अच्छे खासे पैसे मिल जाते, तो ही वॉज ओके विद दैट. तो उनके यहाँ पे मैंने बुक किया था, ऑनलाइन ही मैंने सर्च किया था, तो मैंने और फिर मैंने काफ़ी को ऑनलाइन ही बता दिया, यहाँ पे आ जाओ, यहाँ पे आ जाओ. देयर आई मेट अ वुमन, incredibly awesome, शिवानी. आई डोंट नो हाउ टू प्रोनाउंस हर सरनेम. शी इज़ लोकल महाराष्ट्र ओनली, पुणे की. Shivani Antade, I don't know how to pronounce her name. And in the SSB, I was saying I don't know how I met my kid's dad, but I know how I met my kid's aunt. And out of nowhere, a random Telegram page, and she's texted, "This is my SSB date." Someone also had the SSB on the very same day, and I was like, "Hi, ma'am. I like to call people by ma'am or sir. I don't like bhaiya, didi, or all of that name or all of that. I like to call them ma'am and sir." It's like, "Hi, ma'am. My SSB is also so and so. Let's make sure that we stay at the same place. Like common ground मिल जाता है, right?" तो एंड शी वाज लाइक, या यू टेल मी वेयर यू आर स्टेइंग. एंड आई शेयर्ड कि मैं इधर रह रही हूँ. उन्होंने फिर अपना मैजिक करके उन्होंने बोला मेरे को और खुशी को साथ रहना है, अदरवाइज ही थॉट टू शिफ्ट मी समवेयर एल्स. तो इज़ लाइक कि ठीक है. उन्होंने फिर हम दोनों को साथ सिलाया, वी स्लेप्ट टुगेदर. And then, oh, it sounds bad. So we slept in the same room, and we got ready. जल्दी जल्दी सब तैयार हो रहे हैं. Then we went for SSB. फिर वो screening process में शिवानी got a different batch. I got a different batch because our date of births were having some date of births के हिसाब से आपको batches मिलते हैं. तो उसको दूसरा batch मिला था, मुझे दूसरा batch मिला था. And then फिर eventually screening का result announce हुआ. She also got screened in. I also got screened in. A lot of people I wanted to get screened in वो नहीं हो पाए थे. We met a woman. She got Asian. पता नहीं उसका कौन सा sport है. It's like taekwondo only, but of different country, not of India or anything. And she was a gold level player, like gold medalist she was. And we were hoping कि भाई तू हो जा, you know, कि because आप ऐसे लोगों से मिलते तो you learn a lot from these people. The people who have represented India. She came from Sri Lanka directly. She had her tournament in Sri Lanka. She flew from there. And but she couldn't got screened in the exam. And one more person, I wanted her also. She was in my Varanasi board. I wanted her to also get screened, but she couldn't make it, and felt terribly bad. And then I met Shivani again in the screening process, and we're like, भाई हम ही तो academy हार जाएंगे, ये तो क्या ही सफ़र है. फिर शिवानी and I met Jyoti also. I met Aarti, incredibly awesome women. I met some women I was not very fond of, and मेरे यहाँ पे दिख जाता है इस पे, you know, मेरा कैप्शन चल रहा होता है. What's in my head, it's visible on my face. So बहुत अमेजिंग लोग मुझे मिले. टच वुड, I met the best people. The हरकतें we did in 5 days, I would be embarrassed. Okay, I would be embarrassed to talk about those. जो conversations हमने की, जो हरकतें हमने की, it should be kept between us. It should be treasured by us. I cannot portray it here. भाई आतंक मच जाएगा. People would be like, भाई क्या ही हो तुम लोग. So we got screened in. उसी के बाद फिर डायरेक्ट खाना वाना खा के बैराक में चेंज करके अच्छे से. Then we had a psych test दिया हमने. उससे पहले हमने अच्छे से, मतलब we make sure कि we bond with the group so that जो आगे के tasks होंगे वो अच्छे से होंगे, right? Bonding is very essential in army, you know. No man must be left behind. And brothers to my right, brothers to my left, same. Sisters to my right, sisters to my left, and all of that. So we bonded also. We started having conversations. With some people we had a very deep sort of conversations. To some we have just superficial level so that we know the other person, you know. We won't be blank when the tasks come and all of that. So chef's kits, it was incredible. Psych test, the next day we had GTOs. 2 days we had GTOs. And you won't believe I fucking jumped from a 10 feet wall. I was so happy. वो एक होता है हमारा जिसमें हमें एक स्नेक दिया जाता है. स्नेक इन द सेंस रोल अप टेंट, ओके, इन अ वे. तो रोल अप होता है, टेंट होता है. तो आपको वो टेंट 3 लोगों को किसी भी हाल में पकड़ना है. उसके आपको ऑब्स्टेकल्स क्रॉस करने हैं. बहुत सारे ऑब्स्टेकल्स होते हैं, ओके, और आपको वो सब करवाना है. तो एंड आई was very scared of height. I am legit very scared of height. And I was like, nahi bhai, ab to I cannot, because if I don't jump, my team cannot go ahead. You know, no man must be left behind. So, and I was like, bhai, jump to karna padega. Khush ho, ro, kuch bhi karo, jump is mandatory. And I was running with everyone. I was doing this, that. I was just having fun of my life. The voice started going bad from that moment. Because आपको अपना वॉर क्राई बोलना होता है. एंड वी वर द बाज पीपल. बाज इज MiG-29 को हम बाज बोलते हैं. उसकी भी बहुत गंदी स्टोरी है, ठीक है, मैं बहुत एम्बैरेस्ड हूँ. तो वी वर बाज. तो हमें बोला था अपना वॉर क्राई बोलो. तो हमने बोला बाज के बाजीगर. तो हमें लगा के बोलने से अच्छा बाज बाजीगर, बाज बाजीगर, दैट शुड बी आवर वॉर क्राई. तो हमें वॉर क्राई बोलते बोलते चिल्लाते चिल्लाते जाना है पूरे रास्ते, पूरा टास्क क्लियर करते करते. एंड वी शुड नॉट स्टॉप. जैसे कबड्डी होता है, तो यू कैन ब्रीद, यू कैन डू एवरीथिंग, बट आपका वॉर क्राई चलते रहना चाहिए. सो फ्रॉम दैट मोमेंट माई वॉइस वॉज फक्ड. सो हम कर रहे हैं बाज बाजीगर, भागो भागो भाई, अंधाधुन भाग रहे हैं, ऊपर से खींच रहे हैं लोगों को, बम से पुश कर रहे हैं, सब कर रहे हैं, जो हमने मज़े किए उस पर हमें. फिर वी हैड अ लॉट ऑफ फन देयर. अदर देन दैट फिर सारे इंडिविजुअल ऑब्स्टिकल्स आई डिड 4. Varanasi I did 1. I did legit 1. This time I did 4. Then command tasks and all of the activities, GTO जो भी होता है सब किया. Interview was legit fun. I thought कोई और recommend करे ना करे, ये बंदा मुझे recommend करेगा. वो इतना enjoy कर रहा था मेरा interview. You know, he was smiling, he was passing smiles here and there, and he was very interested and very keen. And then he didn't even grill me at all. You know, he was very straightforward. जो basic questions पूछा सब पूछा उसने. मुझे किसी में भी grill नहीं किया, मेरे को नहीं रुलाया उसने. And he was smiling all the time. I was like, ये बंदा मुझे recommend कर रहा है. उसने को धोखा नहीं दिया. He didn't recommend me. And then वो सब हुआ, सब कुछ हुआ. Then we got 2 days का liberty. And liberties the best, because you are with the people who have the same mentality like you enjoy the shit, you know. वो जो 5 घंटे आपको लिबर्टी में मिलते हैं, आप मेक श्योर करते हो कि आप उसका एक एक मोमेंट जियो. मेरे फ़ोन में जो फोटोज़ हैं लिबर्टी के मोमेंट्स की, यू विल बी शॉक्ड टू सी. इतनी फोटोज़, इतनी लेजिट फोटोज़ आई हैव क्लिक्ड ऑन लिबर्टी. एंड वी वेंट टू अ लॉट ऑफ कैफेज एंड आई हैड द बेस्ट हॉट चॉकलेट ऑफ माई लाइफ इन अ ब्लू स्टोन ऐसा कुछ करके. देयर वाज दिस शॉप, बेस्ट हॉट चॉकलेट. And we had a lot of fun in Liberty also. Then conference day came. Couldn't make it this time. Again, we'll get back stronger. That's of course but obvious. We'll get back stronger. And बहुत मज़ा आया, बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आया. You know, the sad part is in Varanasi board, in Gandhinagar board, I knew where I lagged. You know, I knew खुशी ये नहीं किया यार, यहाँ पे रह गई तू, यहाँ पे परफॉर्म कर सकती थी. This time I don't know. This time I genuinely don't know मैं कहाँ रह गई. This time I have no clue मैं क्या अच्छा कर लेती कि मैं recommend हो जाती. I was so confident कि जब हमें बोलते हैं ना कि आप अपने बैग्स वैग पैक करके कॉन्फ्रेंस में आप सब कुछ अच्छे से रख के आना, कि आपको बस उठाना है, देन यू हैव टू लीव. वेदर यू गेट रिकमेंडेड और कॉन्फ्रेंस आउट, आपको फिर खोलने को कुछ नहीं मिलता, आपको कुछ उठा नहीं सकते आप. तो आई वॉज दिस श्योर कि आई मेक इट टू द लिस्ट, कि आई पैक्ड माई बैग लाइक दिस. सारी जो डॉक्यूमेंट्स थी, सारी जो फोटोज़ थी, जो पेन था, जो भी चीज़ें चाहिए थी, वो मैंने फर्स्ट जिप पे रखी कि आई कैन ईजिली रिमूव इट एंड डू द पेपर वर्क इन ऑल दैट. 5 hours का आपको पूरा पेपर वर्क करना पड़ता है आफ्टर रिकमेंडेशन. एंड आई वॉज दिस श्योर कि यार इस बार तो हो रहा है. And I couldn't make it. I wanted to cry. I cried also. I cried way too much. And you know, I called my mother when I got screen. You know, I called my father and I said, "Papa, 5 दिन फौज का खाना खा के आते हैं." And I cut the call because आपको फ़ोन नहीं मिलता ज़्यादा देर. And then जब कॉन्फ्रेंस का रिजल्ट आया तो I called my mother and I said कि मम्मा बाबा ने साथ नहीं दिया, मतलब खाटू श्याम जी को बहुत मानते हैं. मैंने कॉल किया, मैंने कहा मम्मी बाबा ने साथ नहीं दिया, ठीक है बाय. और I wept so bad. I cried so much. I have never cried, you know. As a person, I don't cry for losses. I'm like, okay, गया खत्म, कोई बात नहीं. But this time I was begging God कि कुछ भी करके please scream my number. I was so optimistic कि जब मेरा नंबर चला भी गया ना, I thought क्या पता ये रिवर्ट बैक करके मेरा नंबर ले कि यार this woman also made it to the list. But नहीं हो पाया. I felt bad and my father called and I was talking to my father. उन्होंने मेरे को 2-3 बार कॉल किया, मैंने कॉल कट कर दिया because I was not in the mental state to talk to him. And then he called me and he said, तू तो मेरा शेर बेटा है ना. And oh my God, even I think and I make. तो he called me and he said, खुशी तू तो मेरा शेर बेटा है ना, तो हम सबसे प्रैक्टिकल बंदा है ना, क्या हुआ, क्यों रो रही है. And he said, Kushi, no matter how much you cry right now, no matter how much you blame God, no matter how much you blame yourself that you're not able to perform and all of that, they are not going to take you in. You know, they made the list. People are doing their documents right now, and they're not going to take you in. Learn the lessons, be a Fauji mentality, and get it over with. ठीक है, रोना इज़ ओके. आई नो हाउ मच यू हैव वर्कड योर एस ऑफ फॉर दिस. आई नो तो कितना ज़्यादा चाहती थी आउट ऑफ ऑल द पीपल टू गेट इनटू द अकेडमी. नहीं हुआ, कोई बात नहीं. यू स्टिल हैव एज, मूव ऑन. व्हाट्स नेक्स्ट? वापस प्रिपेयर कर एफ कैट के लिए, वापस साइकिल शुरू कर. क्या बात हो गई. एंड दैट वॉज द मोमेंट मी एंड माई रूममेट शिवानी, ऑफ कोर्स द लेडी लव, we wept, we hugged each other and we wept for like fucking 10 minutes straight. And then we were like, fuck it, let's glow up time. We wore the clothes and we were like, बाहर में जाए, हम जा रहे हैं बाहर खाना खाने. We again had the hot chocolate. She had pasta and pizza. I had fried rice. Fried rice was too spicy for my taste, but this was what we had and we had fun. We clicked pictures, a lot of pictures. We were like, होना था हो गया. Now we cannot change it. What's next? That's important. Forju mentality, ladies and gentlemen. We cannot cry for the men we lost. We have to save the next few people that we have with us. And that was the entire journey. I will, I think, acknowledge the mistakes I have made. It will take time. Right now, I might be super biased. But that's what life is, I guess. We got this. Signing off.